Grayson? Yeah, well, what are we doing with the tractor? Feeding the cows hay. There you go. Look at them, they're lining up. They're ready for it. They want something to eat. We're trying to give these little replacement heifers a little extra feed. And we got our farm helpers. We got Justin here. We're unloading the feed, putting it over there in our barn. But our little ones, grandsons, have been, we had an open bag. So come this way, Justin. See if they come back around. Here they come. Watch this. Look at that. Oh yeah. Look at the. Hey, you scaring him, Grayson? Feeding the cows. This is a lot of fun, folks. Yeah, here we are. Then the man. How about Justin? Oh, in his tuxedo shirt. Okay, buddy. Well, today at the farm, I thought I was videoing this new little heifer calf yesterday. This is our red heifer that we raised here on the farm. She's not related to our bull. You may have seen some videos about her. She is a first-time mama, so now she's no longer a heifer, she is a cow. But she wasn't familiar with what to do. She had a good birth, that was okay, but she wasn't nursing. So yesterday I put her in the head catch to hold her still, put the calf behind her in the squeeze chute, hand milked her. I wish I had videoed all that. And then you know, sprayed some milk out so the calf got a smell of it. So the calf ended up having her first meal off of mama yesterday. And she's doing good. I woke up this morning, came out early and checked, and the calf was nursing. And I've seen her nurse several times today. So all is well. And it's a blessing.
That's a good.
You got that down pat, man. Be very careful. Yes, sir. Now what is that we're cutting? Fat lighter, that's right. It's the best way to start a fire right there with that pine tree fat lighter. Yes, sir, buddy.